Hey there, video enthusiasts! Today, I'm thrilled to take you on an exhilarating journey into the world of AI. In this video, I'll show you how 4 powerful AI tools helped us craft a captivating and professional video from scratch. Buckle up and let's dive right in. Tool 1. Midjourney, the artistic sidekick. Midjourney is your creative companion. With Midjourney, you can effortlessly bring your video characters to life. To create your video character, use Midjourney version 4, Beta Upscaler, and select 16:9 as your preferred aspect ratio. Now select the best image, upscale it, and save it to your computer, and your character is all set to shine. Tool 2, DID, animation magic at your fingertips. Now let's bring our character to life with DID. Head over to d-id.com and register using your Google, Facebook, or email account. Once you're in, click Create Video and then hit Add to upload your character image. Add your script, choose the language, voice actor, and style that resonates with your vision. Click Generate Video and patiently wait for the masterpiece to unfold before your eyes. Once the generation process is complete, it's showtime. Play the video and ensure everything is perfect. If it meets your expectations, download the video and move on to our next awesome AI tool. Tool 3, VidiQ SEO Supercharger. VidiQ is your SEO secret weapon. If you don't have the VidiQ extension yet, you can install it directly in your browser by clicking the link in the video description below. With VidiQ AI by your side, you'll soar through the ranks by effortlessly optimizing your video for maximum visibility. First, ask VidiQ to work its magic on your title, making it SEO friendly. It can even suggest multiple options so you can choose the best one that fits your video. Next, unleash VidiQ's powers on your video description. Simply provide your new title and VidiQ AI will whip up a captivating description that grabs attention and reels in viewers. Then ask VidiQ to explore Ahrefs for the creme de la creme of keywords. These will help you craft tags that boost your video's discoverability. Once all these are set, copy them all to your notepad or Google Doc for safekeeping. Tool 4. ChatGPT, your creative collaborator. Using ChatGPT makes drafting a script for your video a breeze. Start by creating a draft script and then turn to ChatGPT to weave its magic and transform it into a production-ready script. Tool 5. Audacity, adding the finishing touch. Last but not least, it's time to add the perfect voiceover to your video using Audacity. Open Audacity and utilize its text-to-speech voice recorder. Open d-id.com once again and paste the script generated by ChatGPT. Choose your preferred language, voice artist, and style. Now hit play and let Audacity capture the voice that brings your video to life. Once you've completed all the steps, combine your video with the mesmerizing audio and prepare to unveil your creation to the world. Remember to use all those meticulously crafted AI-generated title, descriptions, and tags to optimize your video's performance. Congratulations! You've just created a captivating YouTube video thanks to the remarkable synergy of these 4 AI tools. Your creation is a testament to the incredible possibilities that AI unlocks for creative minds like yours. Thanks for joining me on this awe-inspiring journey. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button for more exciting AI tips. Until next time, stay creative, stay inspired, and keep pushing the boundaries with AI.